Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts. Make sure to subscribe. The YouTube channel is running great. Well, let's start with some news first. This is something I wanted to share with you guys. Basically exchanges are getting drained. Look at this chart. Bitcoins on exchanges basically, and this was late 2020 basically when it all started. And you can see, look at it, they're just getting drained off of exchanges. Bitcoin price doing perfectly. Why is that such a good thing? Well, if there's no Bitcoins for sale anymore on exchanges, what's gonna happen to the price? Of course, there is a supply shortage, so the price goes up. Let's follow this guy. Good stuff. Basically, the whole thing of Bitcoin, you know, inflation, supply shortage, whatever, price goes up. We're on the 1 hour chart. We see a weak dollar, very weak dollar, and we see a strong Dixie. And I'm a boomer, guys. Well, I'm a mid-30s boomer, but everything is looking great today. Taking a look at the Dixie on the 4 hour chart, we can go to the daily, and it's looking nice and weak. They attempted a head and shoulders over here, but it's just dying back down perfectly. They have some support over here, but it seems like they're really gonna go for this support. So that's very good, very bullish for Bitcoin. And S&P 500, for the S&P 500 on the 4 hour, we can draw this trend line over here. And can we draw something like this? Let me look. Yeah, we can. So important area coming up for the S&P 500. Looking very good, looking very solid, probably likely will break out to the upside if the Dixie remains going down. We still have a CME gap. Many people are looking to close it. Over here, very clear one, very big one, and it will get closed soon. No doubt about that. If you look at the open interest, you know, of Bybit, for example, basically everyone who entered in November or from November till now, everyone basically got washed out, shaked out, liquidated. Most of them lost all their coins. Many new traders just in this period lost their new coins. Saw some metrics about it. Not gonna go further into it. If you want to trade, I'm selling a course. Best thing is, if you had a little experience already, then my course really is perfect for you. It teaches you about, well, basically what I'll talk about always here, but it teaches you how to spot liquidity perfectly, how to know when we squeeze where, besides the technical analysis I do over here. Bitcoin looking perfect over here. This is the same chart I had yesterday. We broke out of this falling wedge. And right now we are just on support here. Perfectly setting higher lows. And it's looking great. It's looking great. Nothing to add to it really. We can zoom in a little bit. Go to the 15 minute. We're just consolidating. Right now we can draw something like this. And we can remove this line to there. And what is the good thing about it? Well, we're seeing negative funding. So that is very good. That is very good. Negative fundings and discounts. You know, do we see negative fundings? Let me refresh this one. Always got to refresh it real quick. It's all flat, negative on OKX. And I love OKX, very big exchange. And sometimes, you know, when I see those liquidations come in rolling, that's when I smile, because most of them are Chinese. So Bitcoin, you know, consolidate, break up, next resistance over here, 57.5, big level. If you break 57.5, we will go to 60K. Simple as that. This is the level we're going next then. So all is looking good for Bitcoin, but I am totally crazy at the moment, and you guys probably have an idea already. It is Ethereum. Zooming out on Ethereum, we can see this one over here. And we can go to the daily. I mean, I feel like, if you guys don't agree, let me know in the comments. I feel like we are right now at an exact same moment as we were over here. Like we are at this moment right now. So I'm expecting a breakthrough here, a retest, and I see us going to 4K straight, like really fast. So how do we prepare for a breakout like this? Well, first of all, we go balls deep, right? That's what you do. And secondly, DeFi. There's DeFi season, decentralized finance, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna take a look at DeFi coins. Ethereum BTC, like doing perfect over here as well. Breaking this resistance, is it? Wait, let me check it real quick. Right at it, but I mean, it's looking good. It's looking good. Not worried about this trend line. This will be resistance for first, so that's like 0.054 kinda. But I'm expecting us to go at least over here, you know. This will, where we are going 0.1. Pretty sure about that. So yeah, it's just time to position for that stuff. I think this is definitely coming, and it when Ethereum starts, you know, it goes fast, really fast. So Wi-Fi, how do you guys pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. This was some other old technical analysis I was doing, but I mean, let's remove everything and let's draw again. We can see this line really clearly. And we can see we see this one? Yeah, I think we can. This is what we can see for now. Really big rising wedge, usually bearish. Not for a moon coin like DeFi. Wi-Fi. We can see this one, broke already, so that's good. I mean, horizontally, you know, it is all about this level, let's say. This one over there. If Wi-Fi breaks this level, 52,600 basically, yeah, it's moon time. This level is, if Wi-Fi breaks it, you know, it's moon time. And yeah, like seriously look for a 25-50% gain easily. I would buy it already just because Ethereum is looking so good. I mean, Uni already breaking out. Buy it. Like buy it or stay poor. They're breaking out already at an all-time high. Yeah, just get in. Get your ass in. Be careful with leverage. Leverage will make you poor instead. If you do it with some leverage, make sure to sign up with a link in the video description. You help me, and that's always really cool. But yeah, Uni already breaking to the upside. AAVE is something we need to look at. And AAVE, I mean, let me remove everything. I mean, guys, we can see it with our clear eyes, right? This is the level AAVE needs to break before making all-time highs again. And then we're going for this level. But yeah, it's already coming. Don't play it with leverage. Be careful with leverage. Leverage will bite you more than it will give you. Yeah, that's really something I want to make sure you guys understand, because it will bite you. But I mean, I was trading it over here and I was saying $500 the top. Right now I would say $800 easily. And the funny thing is, you know, I'm not saying $800 or $700 in a couple months. No, I'm saying it like next week or in 2 weeks. This will go really quicker than you think. Doge, I'm not a big Doge fan. It's a meme coin, you know, and that's why it's doing good. It's really funny. I agree, but yeah, it's not something I'm trading. Breaking out, looking solid. I mean, just gonna do horizontals. Support over there. resistance over here. Simple as that. I mean, right now, you know, we want to see more higher highs, basically, this one, and we want to see this support over here hold. Other than that, it is looking good. If they break this trend line, Doge is in trouble. So this is the pattern Doge should follow. Other than that, everything is good. Solana being a beast. Did I touch $50 yet? No, not yet. That was my target, I think last week or something, 2 weeks ago. But other than that, looking good. Having some resistance over here, but I don't think Solana gives a lot. It's the Sam coin, and Sam makes sure to pump it. So resistance right now at 48 something, and $50 is, let's be honest, a psychological big level. So be careful with that one. Other than that, looks completely solid. This is AAVE BTC. I mean, we can take a look at it as well. I know some of you guys trade BTC ratios. That's why I'm looking at it. I'm looking at some old charts of mine. And it's funny, you know, to see things coming out, you know. Through this one. Okay, let's go on. Start over. This is what I'm seeing. Perfect. You see, like trend lines work so perfectly. And right here, I mean, we can draw a trend line over here, but we can clearly see this round bottom over here, higher highs, higher lows compared to these over there. So AAVE BTC is looking perfect as well. Resistance right at it right now. I would say this is a small one. And this is a small one. Talking about targets, all-time high for sure. Badger showing some signs of life, and I think Badger really is the most undervalued coin at the moment. Why do I keep saying that? Well, Badger has so much money in the treasury. It's more than 2 times their market cap, maybe even 3 times. I mean, that is so bullish. I cannot even explain it to you guys. Like, that is bullish. Right now at resistance, if they break this line, break this one, break this one. I mean, if Badger makes a new low over here, or breaks this one, you get out. 27.5. Other than that, I would buy it. 27.5, you get out. You could also choose for a bit more safety, set your stop at 24. But it's looking great. It's looking really, really great. Did I talk enough about targets? Yeah, for Bitcoin, I would say first 57.5. Let me zoom in a little bit more. And we have this consolidation. Your stop should be over here or over here. That is basically 54K, 53K-ish. I mean, either do your stop tight or very loose. And make sure to put your stop on the index price. Because a lot of people get effed by the price, exchange price. Last price. So yeah, make sure to do that. Make sure to subscribe. If you want to learn how to trade and a lot of tricks on how to use an exchange, let me know in the comments, or you can send me an email. My email address can be found over here, the About Me section. And you can just send me an email, and I always try to react real quickly. So yeah, really, DeFi summer is coming. DeFi summer number 2. Ethereum, yeah, it will go up a lot. Like, I'm extremely bullish. So guys, that's about it. See you guys again tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, let me know what you guys think, and see you guys again tomorrow.